Hello guys and welcome to another Minecraft add-on showcase, and this might be the last one for a while. So yeah, after this I might do survivals now. Technical canon ones. So today I'll be reviewing more So Less Snore add-on, and if you're wondering, I'll not be reviewing Dungeon Craft because that add-on's like the ore spawn. Apparently this is considered RL Craft, but I don't consider it that because it's not too big. It's not big enough. But there's more blocks than this. It's a big add-on. Mainly for the blocks. Actually, lol. Oh my god. So yeah, here are the items. Pretty. They're not useful much, I guess. How much health does this give you? Nothing. Sure. Useful items. Okay, yeah, this is the obsidian blade. Okay, so yeah, let's get some mobs in here. Why do I have these? Oh yeah, right. A possessed ravager. Let's get that out. A dungeon skeleton. A hell cow. Okay. Nah. Ooh. Damn. Hmm. Okay, damn, that's a lot of interesting maps. So yeah, let's review some of these. Not all, of course. You look like fucking Satan. Just saying. Just saying the truth, man. Not trying to hurt your feelings or anything like that. Now, stay away from me. Thank you. Okay, dungeon skeleton. They're pretty. Holy shit. A hell cow. Okay, they're passive. Good to know. A machine gun skeleton. Of course. Well, that's what they're literally called. Machine guns. Bro, and they met at each other in like 5 seconds, bro. Why am I not shocked? Why is this not a mini-boss at least? Because look at them. Yeah. They're probably going to kill me in one hit again if I try to even. Oh! They do 19 damage total with nausea. That's freaking scary. Now for the obsidian mite mob, which is, I'm only going to put in 2 because the obsidian mobs are pretty damn tough. Not gonna lie, come on. Okay, dungeon zombies now. Do they drop those cutlasses? I hope they do. Well, there is no cutlass in this add-on, and this is the only weapon added within the add-on. So I'm just gonna assume that this add-on is still in beta or something like that. I don't know. Now for the fine parts of these, because whatever, I'm bored. A demon skeleton now. Okay, now these are like semi-bosses or something like that, because they're like really, but they're not really challenges. Okay, they're challenges, but with armor on, not really, because that's why. I would also consider this a semi-boss, because of something. It's special of. It basically is like corrupts the Nether alive, and he can corrupt the overworld. So kill this first before it kills you a lot of times. So he has a lot of HP, of course. Don't let him attack you when he's doing that. He's really deadly. And that's what happens when you kill him. Luckily, he's only corrupting the grass and the natural stuff. I sort of got it. At least he will not corrupt the chest, so I'll be fine. And plus, I don't think this spreads on forever, so this is fine. It does. I think it might replace some of the blocks. Wait, what? I love this song. Now for the cave zombies, these are pretty simple. They're just zombies, but in caves, and they're made of stone, literally. Which gives them, also this sword does like 10 damage, and I don't think it's craftable. And I think you can find it within dungeons. Bro movement. Bro. Okay, now for the crawler. Okay, now this dude is like some other semi-boss thing. Or nah, he's just a unique mob. And isn't the overworld still getting corrupt? Okay, I don't think it replaces these. That's good to know. And now I'll be getting geared up for the dungeons, mini-bosses, and the boss of the addon. Yes, that's right. There is a boss in the addon. And this boss is pretty damn OP. So, I suggest bringing stuff along with you. Yep, those are the, new stuff. But, of course, the gear's here. Yes, that's a lot of stuff, but hey, get used to it. Please. So yes, of course, I'm expected to get all these done, so I did not realize that this would be expensive, huh? Let's put this badass armor on. Let's do it. Bro moment. Tell me, I look pretty damn good. And yes, because the mobs are going to be really strong. And yes, this is where the abomination comes from, if you're wondering. Yes. Let's do this. Well, bam. Of course. Okay, now we're gonna go to the dungeons. So first up is the dungeon summoner, which I think I'm gonna get to the jungle temple first. And yeah, because the crypt sounds a bit sus. It does, trust me. Highly sus. And you know what? I'm gonna spawn this very freaking far away, cause yes. Okay then, and yes, there's only like 3 dungeons within the addon. I must be so proud of myself. I must be so proud of myself for doing this to myself. Wait. Did I destroy the review? Oh my god, I did, didn't I? Hang on. Okay, I'm going somewhere. And there's that, I guess. Not really sure. But alright. And I think there was another level down. I don't know, but I think I saw something like that. Nah, shit, that was not smart. Okay, then this is what the crib looks like, apparently. Luckily, I spawned it pretty damn far away. I don't know what this is, but, okay. It's just a jungle temple. I suppose so. It's just a temple. nothing too wrong with this. Okay, I might, okay, no, never mind. Yeah, it's just something useless. I'm just wasting my damn time. That's really what I'm doing, really. At least this add-on's not as laggy as the freaking Blue Drain boss. At least. And yes, there is a, sand crypt, which I might spawn far away, like, over there. Like, far over there, because, you know, I don't... What if it's so big? Of course it's not going to be that big, because that would be so hard. Though it takes so much time. Plus, this add-on's not even finished yet, so why else would that be huge? Why? Would it be huge, even? Why? Like, why would it be huge? Okay, then. So now, I think I'm far enough, and, yeah. Then, boom! And that is the case. Nice. Ouch. What's that? Hang on. No. Just in case if I come across something rare. Okay, let's destroy this. No shit. And why did I? What the fuck are you? Oh, you're just husks. Don't worry, I'm not scared of you. You're just husks. You're not bothering me. Okay, who the fuck is hurting me? Oh no, it's no one. It's just poison. Oh, this is right. Do I have to break the block? No. How do I get it? I don't know. I'm not a master of add-ons. And they did not specifically tell me how to open the chest in the add-on, and I don't know what he dropped there, but I guess it was loot. Oh, do I have to sneak or something and then tap it? Or do I have to press it somewhere? I don't know. Let's go exploring a bit. I see no use in me being here, I guess. No, for real, I don't really see a use for me being in here. I swear to God, if you follow me up here, I'll murder you. And I'll break your blood. And I'm gonna need to cover this up just in case. Because, you know, there's always gonna be that one mob that's gonna be so desperate to catching me. Those types of mobs exist, guys. Just letting you know. Okay? That does happen. It does. Just saying. Oh my god, I'm gonna need one more block. There's one more, because there's spiders in the realm. Or the structure, sorry. Okay, there we go. Perfect. I mean, it looks ugly, but... Hi. I blocked it off. Okay. You see, I planted it so far that I thought that was a structure. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was. I damn thought. Oh, damn. Damn, the jungle structure looks beautiful from here. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, it really does. Now for the dungeon. I think this one spawns the one where Sentry is. Sentry is a mini-boss, if you're wondering. So I might fight him again 2 times in the video. I don't know. Okay, then. So. Maybe I have to fight Sentry. Maybe I don't. I don't know. I don't know whether I have to fight him or not. I don't know. Just being honest. I really don't know. Okay, now the dungeons are not big, but this one might be the biggest. I don't know what to expect. And let's see what we get. And I don't think I pressed it right. What? Hello? No? Oh my god. Oh, damn, that one's broken. I guess it just exists. That's plainly it. Oh my god, I hate these freaking pawns. They're the worst. Who invented them? Who? Yep. And I'm hungry again. Okay, then I'm gonna put this away in here. I don't know if I'm gonna need these later. So I'm just gonna keep these here. And yeah. So yeah. These are the first dudes. Of course I'm gonna set it tonight because the first one is gonna spawn at night. It's called the Abomination. You probably saw this in the video before. And I think I set to the wrong time. There we go. No, the Abomination. Out of all the things, why did I get the child? Oh my god. He's so easy as the freaking baby. And the baby is more of a semi-boss. Yeah, for real. Well, he does spawn in minions, but really? You just have to ruin the experience. Chances. Damn you. Well, we're just gonna have to kill all these dudes and spawn them in again. Since, damn you, Minecraft, why does that happen to me? Especially when it's gonna be a really cool boss. You really have to do that to me, Minecraft, huh? Okay, now here's the real deal. Now, he will spawn with armor. Look at his back. There's an extra zombie hanging around there. Now, he's an easy mini-boss. Okay, now he's harder as an adult. Of course, no shit. And he will spawn in minions randomly. Random cave zombies and normal zombies. It doesn't matter what you drop, what happens, but as the adult, he will actually drop something. As the adult. But as the baby, he won't drop shit. He will not. So, if you want to find the baby one, that one's useless. Don't even bother. Oh man, he did not drop at the time. Or maybe wait, did the baby? Baby? Let's see one more time. And yes, you can fight him without even taking damage once. It's possible, trust me. I tried it once, but I failed at the end. Well, he was like literally at this amount of HP right now. You see. There, he dropped it! He dropped it! One of the best items in the trophy. And is this, the trophy. The Abomination Trophy. So this is awarded. So he's basically a mini boss. So this add-on is pretty damn similar to the you know. It is similar to Adventure Expansion. That's why I love these add-ons the most. Because before I think it was Cave Update and Frosted Expansion or something like that. And Pinnacle Expansion. But now it's these add-ons. Adventure Expansion and more So Less Snore because, I mean, look at them. Come on. Okay, now we have Sentry. Now he's just a melee-only dude. He spawns on top of the tower. Yes, a tower. Yes, I know, it's weird. 2 tower golems. Come on. But instead of just being another battle tower golem, he's unique. Now, sure, he's a bit hulkier and bulkier than the Abomination, and he's harder. Wait, do you have ranged ability? I think he's preparing one. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Good. That just makes him even better. I never knew this. So yeah, when he's far away, he has these apparently, and they're hard to deflect as frick because yeah. Okay, so I suggest getting close to him. So yeah, he's a mini boss, and he's not gonna be really easy, but he spawns at the top of the tower within this add-on. Yes, there's a battle tower in the add-on. Don't ask why. And then he turns into this and this TNT. If you're not quick enough, well, anything happens when he's in that stage. He did not drop it that time. No, he did not. So, let's fight him a couple more times. Until he drops both the Sentry Heart and the Sentry Trophy. So, I don't know, the Sentry Heart has no use yet, but it will have a use later on. So, yeah, you have to be fast and kill him quick while he's about to... There! Oh, man, he dropped the gold block instead. Okay, let me get him this time. There's a chance he could drop both, though. There's a chance. Will he stop dropping that? Will he stop? Like, for real, will he stop? Okay, my armor's getting pretty destroyed. I might have to re-prepare it again because for the boss is pretty damn OP. I mean, like, come on. Come on, drop it! Drop the Sentry Heart or the Sentry Trophy. Drop both, actually. I need both to show the audience. If not, I'll just get it from the inventory. You know that, right? And what did they give me? And I got it! The Sentry Heart, finally! So this has no use at the moment, of course. But look at this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But I hope it has a purpose eventually, because, like, come on. At least drop the trophy. And I feel like the boss should also have a trophy, but he currently does not. Mainly, probably because he's still in the beta stages. I'm like, come on. The mini-bosses are pretty damn nothing compared to the boss. And I got another Sentry Heart when I did not need it. Please, give me the freaking... The Sentry Trophy, please. Please. Yeah. These drops are pretty rare, so fighting him will probably be a headache. And he does not want to drop it. I guess I'm gonna get it. Okay, so I gave it to myself because he just would not drop it. Alright then. So this is it. This is the Sentry Trophy. And when these two are together, when they work as a team, they're pretty damn good. But look at this. Why? I think it's because, like, the Abomination, this is really the only worthwhile thing he drops. Well, I mean, he does drop the Constellium ingots. I mean, like, look here. And they're pretty useful. I only meant, like, for here, like just items that just exist. And the craftable, too. I did not specify that, even though I should have. Okay, now, the boss does have a spawn egg, but I want to showcase his ritual. Okay, so now I'm ready for the boss. Just let me wear this. Let me get the ritual items. Okay, now of course for this, hang on. This way! Okay, because, direction does count for this. Hang on. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, damn it. Alright then. Now let's do this. Okay then. Okay then, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang on. Okay then, hang on. Okay, place the gold here, not there. Okay, now I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, that's really hard. 5. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And I fucked it up. Oh my. Okay then. Now. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay then, I sort of got this wrong. Bro, I knew it. Because I know how it works. Hang on. I know it's supposed to. Boom. 5. 5 by 5. 5 by 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it good? Yes, it is. And yes, I'll definitely try my best to make sure that I'll never die during the match, of course. Yes, you actually have to build this. Oh, are you kidding me? No, it cannot be like that. then, boom, boom, and then now it's time. Armistice block. You have to craft this. Hang on. No, I don't want to place it the wrong way. Wait, look at them. What the? Fuck? I know I'm doing this right. I know for sure. Oh, was this done the wrong way? Hang on. Oh my god. Okay then. And it seems like this block is immortal. It downright is. Okay then. Let's see what I can do. Okay, now this one has to work. Yes, it does. I gave myself 50 just in case something somehow goes wrong. Something might go wrong and we don't know it. So, just saying. Something might actually go wrong for real, I'm not lying. Is it working? No, it is not. Fuck. Short over here, but of course. And I fucking lost a gold piece, for fuck's sake. Not to worry, guys. I have gold. Oh. It's working now. Hell yes. Guys, I made it work again. Hell yeah. So yeah, there's the Armistice boss. Probably one of the toughest mobs out there. I am, without a doubt, ready. Bam! Okay, now you'll get teleported in another dimension. You will. And, there we go. In another dimension, and there will be traps all around here. It's gonna be very difficult. So yeah, be very careful. There's barely any light. You can be on fire. And yes, you've seen him in the video before. He's actually has like 1,000 and something HP. I don't know how much HP to be exact, but so yeah, this is why I got all this gear because of his HP and his abilities. And at the moment, it's not really worth killing, but you usually expect getting a godlike item from killing it, or like crafting material. Of course, keep in mind that he's the first boss to be made, so there might be more in the future. And of course, more mini-bosses like the Abomination and Sentry, and more semi-bosses like the Corruptor, and the Demon Skeleton. He's actually pretty hard, not gonna lie, if you came not like this, but... And don't get too far from him or else. And yes, if you're wondering, okay, let me step on these. Fire! Good luck. Fight. Toughest boss. In fact, probably one of the strongest mobs in all of add-on like all. Like, not for like the strongest like Jesus Christ and stuff. Just getting can be pretty annoying. But he will start walking later. Oh yeah, that's one of his abilities. He'll start to use it. He can take little steps now. So yeah, many abilities. Pretty hard. Don't underestimate him ever, or else you'll regret it so damn much. This is really actually easier in my opinion. Got like far. I mean, of course, I could just bring a water bucket down here and make it cool. In some areas here, so, you know. I think I should put the lantern for a bit. He can be consistently dying quite a bit. And yes, I'll be adding music to the bus, don't worry. I'll be adding that. I'll be he's a freak. So. Alright then. Die! Die! Shit. Oh shit. I think this would be like 15 damage now. And I'm barely doing shit. Yeah, it's not easy at all, no matter what. It doesn't matter what you put on you at all. It's gonna be hard regardless. I suggest bringing some gapples along with you in the way, because this is like a pocket dimension and you can only leave it after killing him. He's harder than the Ender Dragon, so don't expect any mercy from him, lol. Because with his power, I think he's a god. He would be a god with it. Like, that many abilities, like, holy shit. Keep in mind, this would be a lot less laggier on PC, I think. I'm not sure, but... So it tends to dry up, sigh. Be a freaking challenge. Oh yes, he will not take a lot of steps forward. He will take probably 2 steps forward. I suppose, as you can see, I'm walking a bit of times, or that's probably just him being knocked back. I don't know. Because I know he does not take knockback damage. He does not. Whatsoever, no matter what. So yeah, I really love this add-on. In fact, it's better than the Frosted expansion, not gonna lie. Like, it's perfect for survival, and yes, it's really cute. Alright, then he's about halfway down. Not gonna lie. He's taking quite a while. Holy shit, I just freaking Super Saiyan you to death. Fighting done. He's moving away from the center. This battle's getting interesting and interesting and interesting. I saved this battle for last because this is my favorite. That's why you've been questioning the Abomination mob for quite a while, and yes, this happens sometimes. So yeah, it's probably very useful for when you're on fire. I think it's there just specifically so you can survive. And I think they should add an Armistice mini-boss after you kill him. There should be a pocket dungeon within the add-on, a pocket dungeon that allows you to explore and possibly even leave this dimension. Well, you can't leave it. You just need a pickaxe and you enter the overworld again. Well, you get this structure, which is part of the dimension, will get instantly teleported to the overworld without you even noticing. Currently, I don't know how that works. Yeah, that's gonna fit. I want a challenge. If I wanted a challenge, I should have gone without enchantment. I think I probably dropped way too much, because I don't think it's a heavy damage, but more of a pretty shit too. And he's gonna get a ton of bit on here with probably some new abilities. What is like a vet father from? Does he become? What does he do at this point? Okay, I think at this point he's helpless, and I don't think he's gonna do anything. So if you're a noob and a faggot or something like that, stay here in the corner, but we're gonna fight him like a man. Just there for a second. This is probably one of my favorite bosses. I might do a video on showcasing my top 10 favorite bosses. No, none of them will be from vanilla, but the Wither is so ridiculous, and he had to show off basically. He just murders everything. I can't play with him. Barely. Unless he's a cheater during the battles. He just flies over them up. Okay, he's starting to lag a bit. Okay. Just found in random mob. They shoot fireball attack. If I was not a god right now, I would be dying several times. Would not be able to go back. In fact, you would just have to fight him all over again. You just have to make a new ritual and just do it all again. And if you have, I suggest when you're fighting him, just put inventory on. Just do it. Just do it, man. Just do it. It's worth it. It's worth saving your trouble. I mean, like, I'm serious. Not gonna lie. Okay, you're getting pretty weak. So let's back up. I really love the Armistice boss. And I think if you kill him fairly, he's actually gonna drop something rather than just kill at me. So actually killing something or something. No, addon works entirely. Like, I do not know how to open up chests. He's about to die just soon, but won't be able to do the job. The items to be destroyed easily like that, because that would just be unfair. I'm like, come on, man. Who would do that? A cheater, right? The Adventure Expansion is my second favorite addon, if I'm wondering. My second favorite addon. Dead. What did he drop? You'll be mad when you figure this out. You've been facing the toughest boss in your life just to have rotten flesh. Just for that. Bro, I would imagine how mad the player would be just from that. Actually, he gives you 7. I don't know how much he gives you, but I think he actually gives you only 2. Which, if you're gonna give us rotten flesh, at least give us more, and probably something else. At least, like, come on, man, come on. But no, the creator of this addon, he's probably like, don't fight him, guys. It's just not worth it. And yes, you can stop the fires entirely with freaking these. I don't know how these works. Okay, so how do these work? I don't know. Let's experiment with this. Okay, so apparently these can only be placed on, that. They can only be placed on redstone. It's pretty damn cool. So yeah, and yes, you can leave the dimension, so let me show you that process on that, without dying. Horrible death. Yes! So yeah. Okay, I'm transported in there now. I'm transported. It's my good pal. Transported. Apparently that's what the creator said. Oh my god, no.